Hi, I'm Trey.
And I'm Monica.
And this is another one of our adventures in California history. In this episode, we head to Big Bend along the old Highway 40. We're here to see a very cool crossroads, a major crossroads, if you will, between three different highways, the old Donner Trail, the Lincoln Highway, and the later Highway 40. All right, here you history roadbed buffs, Highway 40, old US 40. This is over here, the Lincoln Highway and the Donner Trail. It heads back that direction. We're looking down toward the fire station at Big Bend. And if you look that direction, Monica has picked up the road. So Highway 40 was dug out and they threw these large boulders off to the side. But you can see the road came this direction and there's really some absolutely marvelous ruts, wagon ruts and whatnot, going up here. And right back down that direction.